In this video, let's talk about how to use the Wells Fargo brokerage account. If you're trying to trade within Wells Fargo, you'll be able to use the self-directed WellsTrade application or the feature within the Wells Fargo application. So the first thing that you need to do is fund your brokerage account. You'll be able to link a external account through the transfers and payment section. If you don't see it straight away on the bottom, head over to the menu on the right hand side. So make sure that you link a external account first of all in order to fund your trades. Now once you're inside of the WellsTrade section, you could see a similar option being displayed where it shows the overview your portfolio as well. If you're trying to start trading, you can simply head over to the trade section and simply pick the asset or the market that you're trying to trade, whether it be stocks or ETFs. You'll be able to find it within this section, so you can simply head over to it and you'll be able to execute a trade. Once you select a asset, you'll be able to place a market order or a limit order depending upon what you want, and you can simply hit submit. You'll be able to view all of your overview or your portfolio within the portfolio section as well. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.